Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So today I'm going to be coloring my hair. Why? Because boredom, and I'm just feeling for something new. So I'm going to be using Creme of Nature. These I bought. If you're in St. Vincent, Q-Care, it's $12.95. So let's just hop on into the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because I do not know how I'm going to look after this. So okay, so I bought two because my head is big, and I don't know how this is going to look, but I've seen people like use these and their hair went from black to like blonde. So it's going to look like, I'm hoping it's going to look like that. That's the look. I don't want like too light because I think after we might do highlights, but that's another video by itself. So first things first, I think I need to comb out my hair. When they're supposed to like give me gloves, so there's no gloves, which is quite funny. Oh, they're the gloves. Pop off. Oh! It like got everywhere. I think I cut myself. Do not wear clothes that you would want to like wear after this. I'm so scared. Like, I kid you not. I am scared. Okay. Is this like supposed to be hot? Like, somebody let me know. Is it supposed to be? I think I should be asking somebody first. Okay. I'm going to look in the mirror. Oh, chilly. I'm thinking because I have a lot of hair, I should like do this in sections. Thinking like that would be such a great idea. on a towel, just for, you know. I don't even know if I like, okay, this is brown. Like, just had. I think if I sat down with this for like 2 hours, this might come out properly. Like, what is this? Is my hair like literally not like? Do I really have to bleach my hair for any color to show up? But to see what we're going to do, we're going to do around 2, because we are getting this color. We're going to do it around 2, guys. So because I have work tomorrow, I'm going to just put some gel, whatever, in my hair. I already have a leave-in, and we're gonna do around 2. So I'm gonna buy a lighter dye, because this is light brown. So they have a color scheme on the dye. Is it all in, alright? So you mean to tell me this is how my hair is supposed to look? That's how it's supposed to look. And I have like jet black hair, like black hair. So I can understand like why. No, I can't understand why. I'm not even gonna hold you. And the thing is, I have seen people all over YouTube do this. Their hair comes out nice. Like, there is like light. That's it. But we're just gonna have a round 2. I don't know what color I might pick up this time, but we will have a round 2 because my hair will be colored. I just really don't want to do bleach. I really don't want to bleach my hair.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it is Saturday. It's Saturday, and guys, I am in love. I have leave-in in my hair, and so I'm gonna show you guys. We went with this. I couldn't sleep, so I just decided to do it, and my hair was black, jet black. Like, I have one of the darkest hair colors, like my natural hair color, and I am just living for this color. When I started putting it in, within like 10 minutes, because I did the back first, I saw results, because I wanted the front to be more brown, and I got that. So my sister took a clip of the back, so I'm just gonna put it in. I've been watching YouTube videos upon YouTube videos, and it works. So I just have this towel on me because I don't like to feel like slimy hair on me. So I'm going to put my hair up in one because I had it out yesterday and I really don't have the time to do it. But I just need to come on and show you guys the final product. I think I want to like cut my hair so like everything will be like up there. But we're not going to be super happy today. So I wanted to keep like here dark, but here was brown from the previous dye. So that's just how that is looking. Oops, what's that? Oop, 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 oop. It's just they got a little bit too much. But I didn't really do my roots. I just, because I wanted my edges to stay like dark, so I mean you'll be able to see them on my head. I didn't want my forehead to extend, but this is cute. So I have work, so I need to get ready. So if you guys enjoy this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share with your friends, and stay tuned for my next video.